Are you struggling to take your CV from good to great and land your next gig? Then you might not be taking advantage of your professional achievements. Achievements have a special place on your CV because they can set you apart from a sea of applicants. Who would you pick? A candidate listing their job responsibilities or a candidate who shows you how they excelled at them? Exactly. I'm Andre from Novo Resume, and today I'm going to talk to you about everything achievement related. So, why exactly do achievements matter? Most job seekers out there only talk about their daily responsibilities on their CVs, provide technical support, manage company sales, and blah blah blah. Whatever your previous job was, the hiring manager already knows what your day-to-day responsibilities were. Including them on your CV won't impress them much, but you know what will? What you achieved for the company. And here's what I mean. Can you spot the difference between these two examples? The first one is just a job responsibility that doesn't tell the hiring manager whether you're actually good at sales. But the second example, though, can make you stand out from the competitors by showing exactly what you can do for the company. Your achievements show the hiring manager not only what you did at your previous job, but what they can expect from you as an employee. So, if you're a professional with achievements to back up your work experience, you have a much bigger chance than other candidates who only list their responsibilities. Now that you know why achievements are important, it's time to learn how to add them to your CV the right way. And there are two places your achievements should be mentioned. First, your work experience section. This is the optimal place to list most of your achievements. List 5 to 6 achievements as bullet points under your previous job. The older the position, the fewer bullet points you need to use. So, for a job you had, say, 7 years ago, 3 to 4 achievements should suffice. After all, the hiring manager won't care as much about something you achieved a decade ago unless it's super relevant to the job. But they definitely care about something you achieved within the last year. The next place you want to mention achievements is in your CV summary. This paragraph is one of the first things hiring manager will read to decide whether your resume is worth their time. So you want to grab their attention with your greatest achievements. But remember, you only need to mention 1 or 2 achievements in your CV summary. No need to pack it with every impressive thing you've ever done. And here's an example. The first CV summary is average at best. All it really shows is your job title, years of experience, and past responsibilities. But look how much the same CV summary changes once you've added a couple of achievements. Any hiring manager reading this will instantly know you are someone worth hiring, and that gives you an edge over other candidates. Now you know how valuable your achievements are and where to put them on your CV. It's time for me to show you how to make your achievements pop on your CV and get you that interview call from the hiring manager. For starters, don't start anything with the words responsible for or managed. They are boring and overused nowadays. Instead, use powerful action words like conceptualized, created, implemented, led, and others. Using the right words goes a long way, and the hiring manager will notice. The next thing you should do is use data and numbers to back up your claims whenever you can. The 3 measurements for each of your achievements should be time frame, scale, and results. Here's an example. By adding a time frame, scale, and results, the scope of what you accomplish really makes you shine. Saying you significantly improved something is too generic and it doesn't paint the full picture of your achievement. The hiring manager has no way of knowing you're not exaggerating to sound cool. But when you back up your achievements with data or numbers, it looks a lot more believable and it tells the hiring manager exactly what you achieved. You might be struggling to measure the achievements in your career so far. To make it easier, here are some questions you can ask yourself. Over what time frame did you work on the task? How many times a week did you work on the task? How many people did you work with or managed? How many clients or customers did you work with? If there was a budget, how big was it? And where possible, what were the results that followed your work on the task? Maybe you talked to 60 plus customers daily or managed to complete a project without using the entire designated budget. Whatever your achievements are, the data to back them up matters. And if you're thinking, wait, I don't have any data from my last job, just know that most people don't keep track of their results, so you're not alone. You probably have no idea how much work you really did or exactly how much you contributed to your former company. But the solution is extremely simple. Just ask your previous employer and make a note to keep track of your achievements in the future so you can easily update your CV next time you're looking for a new job. Let's wrap up with some examples of achievements. Here we have a sales executive with an impressive career so far and some stellar achievements to match. Everything is neatly listed in bullet points and most of her achievements are backed up with exact numbers. Thanks for watching. If you have any other career-related questions, just subscribe to our YouTube channel or check out the articles on our career blog at novoresume.com.
Career Advice by Novo Resume.